But yeah, the last couple of, I don't know if it was last year or the year before, pretty sure they found a few bombs from World War II dropped by the US. Undetonated, obviously. Like, 1,700 pound or some shit. Like, huge bombs. They had to, like, evacuate this whole area before they detonated it. Hey, dude.
Morning.
What's up? You're in my head. I'll see you, man. One of my friends back there. I showed him my hair. He was like, oh. He hadn't seen me for a while. Let's check out the view down these stairs. Wow, the water kind of looks nice. Wow. Damn. Damn, it's clear. Damn. That is nice. If it was, oh, I just saw a fish jumping. If it was sunny, it'd probably be a beautiful blue-green color. The hotel. The unfinished hotel. I wonder how many years this has been going for. I think it was happening when I very first started streaming, which was at least 3 years ago. So yeah, it is not fast progress. Nah, he's working at some youth type group where they'll go out on a bunch of skis or stand-up paddle boards and paddle around. He also owns a speedboat that gets rented out, that he takes people out on sometimes. That's a really good business here, owning a boat that you take people out on the weekend. Really good business. A few dudes I know own boats here. Let's continue. It's getting warm. If you couldn't tell, it's getting warm. I need to fix my hat.